Back to your first alert weather and a live look outside as the sun is setting over the city later every day. We got a spring preview today. Temperatures topping out in the 50s.
Meteorologist David Yeomans in the weather sphere tracking some rain, though, on the way. Well, it was nice while it lasted, David.
Right, Joe, more days in the 50s if you and I need to catch up with the rest of the gang here and learn how to double Dutch jump as well. We are watching a little storm, though, that's heading our way tomorrow. Let's pull up the national map here, and you can actually see what's heading our way. It's not terribly impressive, but if we look here to the northwest, here we are, North Dakota, South Dakota. This is some rain and snow in the colder areas that is marching toward the Chicago area. As you can see, it's not a terribly impressive storm, but this is what we're going to have to deal with in some areas when we wake up tomorrow morning. So let's talk about the impacts that we do expect locally. Here we are tracking rain showers for some of us between 3 a.m. and 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. First alert, though, Friday. We're now homing in on what could be a period of very strong winds, 40 to 50 miles per hour, warming temperatures significantly as well. This weekend, it will be breezy still, but the main focus is that it's trending colder now, so don't put away your big coat quite yet. Here we are this evening with clear skies continuing, beautiful mild temperatures now in the 50s, but clouds start to pull in at the midnight hour. You see the timeline there up top. After about 3 a.m., some scattered light rain showers dot the radar, and notice from 3 a.m. all the way through your morning commute tomorrow, not everybody gets them, but if you're down south near or south of I-80, this is where we have a better chance of seeing some brief moderate showers, maybe even a lightning strike, but that's not likely. 10 a.m. it's exiting southeast of Chicago. We'll see some brief clearing midday, and then clouds return before sunset tomorrow, and that's about it. Remember, if you were with us tomorrow, we still had a little uncertainty among our best computer models on how much rain we get. This is what we were telling you might happen. We are lowering our rainfall totals, a couple hundredths of an inch, higher amounts though south of I-80, especially in parts of southern Newton and Jasper counties. After this little storm system clips by us tomorrow, our main focus is a couple more that are heading our way late this week. On Friday, it's not rain or snow, but 40 to 50 mile per hour winds that may even prompt a wind advisory from the National Weather Service. So that's a day when your patio furniture and stuff might be blowing around. On Saturday, a push of colder air may now drop our wind chills during the mornings this weekend into the teens. So get ready for that. Tonight, temperatures staying above freezing with a little scattered rain moving into the area late. Tomorrow, mainly some morning rain showers, so watch out for any slowdowns on your morning commute. A little brief clearing, though, and temperatures very warm again at 51. We are wrapping up meteorological winter on Friday with very warm and windy conditions up to 56 degrees. I told you the weekend, though, is trending colder. Beautiful sunshine, but especially for Ramadan on Saturday, colder breezes. And look at Saturday night down to 22 before temperatures ramp right back up next week. So, guys, not consistent springtime yet, but more of these ups and downs with some 50s still to come. That's kind of a sign of change in seasons, isn't it?
We like the taste of it, too.
Yes.
Thanks, David.
Gives you some energy, a different kind.